chemicals affect our daily lives, from papers and plastics to medicines and food to gasoline, steel, and electronic equipment. Almost everything we use today are all produced by chemicals. More than 70,000 chemicals are used regularly around the world and are used in many different ways. However, these chemicals can have harmful effects on plants, animals, humans, and the environment. Some people even use these chemicals for their own gain or as weapons for the sake of terrorism. But what are these hazardous substances and wastes? How can these chemicals affect our planet? What are these biological weapons and how are they a threat? But most importantly, how can we make this world a better place for the generations to come? Our world is beautiful, unique, and blessed. But somehow it's been bombarded with such junk that can destroy this planet. Junk such as hazardous waste and substances continue to be a problem. But first of all, what are these hazardous substances and how does it affect our planet?
Hazardous substances or hazardous materials are those that can cause harm to the environment or to humans upon exposure, ingestion, or inhalation.
Substances or wastes are classified as hazardous when a certain material or substance has one or more of its four dangerous properties or characteristics.
Kapag nag-exhibit siya ng apat na characteristics, namely toxic, reactive, ignitable, and corrosive.
An ignitable material can burst into flames easily. It poses a fire hazard, may give off harmful vapors and particles over wide areas, and it can irritate the skin, eyes, and lungs. The next property is corrosiveness. A corrosive material can wear away or corrode standard materials and require segregation from other materials. They can burn eyes and skin on contact. Common examples are acids and bases. Reactive or explosive materials tend to be unstable, react spontaneously and vigorously, or explode when they come in contact with other certain chemicals. Gunpowder, methyl sodium, and nitroglycerin are just some examples. These are the types of substances or materials that when improperly managed or used may release toxicants or poisons and pose a substantial hazard to human health or the environment. It can cause illness and even death if swallowed or absorbed to the skin.
Hazardous substances are materials that are used in business and industry for the production of goods and services. Typically, these are consumed or modified in the industrial process. When these hazardous substances are used up and disposed of and could endanger life when released in the environment, then